ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong ka Jelau Konrad Sangma hagas ngi baar jong ka Shitrik ubanai rempang arajar arpu ar ulaong baka sorkar ka peli baro arpu saw kenta ya ka Jingïakren bat ka sengking atiar bala syakhen bean ka Hnlc National Liberation Council tangba ka Hnlc kamdai ban bo ya kino ki Kyndon. Haga Jingïakren bat kilar pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulaong ru baka sorkar jela haswaban penbenaya ka Jingïakren yagani ka sengking atiar Hnlc ka sorkar India kala kren de ka bashai baka Jingïakren kamdai satya ban bo ya kino ki Kyndon.
In fact, for the last 3 years, we have been communicating with them. There have been communications, and we have seen that in the initial stages there were conditions that were there. And therefore, we try to communicate through Government of India and also through other agencies that these kind of conditions are not acceptable from Government of India's point of view. So therefore, we had to communicate and say that it has to be done, but they should come to the talks without any conditions and then discuss further. So that's what the process is on for that. So we are very much open. We have always maintained that we are open, but it cannot be conditional. That's what we maintained.